Hey guys, are you looking for affordable needle cartridges for tattooing? I've been tattooing for the last 3 years. Hey guys, it's Floaty. Yes, you've been with me. If you haven't, hello, welcome. I've been tattooing for 3 years and they have sent me tons of different cartridges from Amazon. I've received over a dozen different brands on Amazon, and I've went out of my way to purchase some of the best brands I can find on the market. And what I can tell you right now is you can save some money because my favorite one was on Amazon. You want to find out which one it is? Stay tuned. Let's do it. Before we get into my favorite cartridge from Amazon, I want to talk about what makes a good cartridge versus a bad cartridge. Maybe you're just starting out in tattooing, maybe you've been doing it for a long time. One of the things I noticed is it took a while before I could properly assess a cartridge. You have to use it for a while, and you have to use a variable amount of brands to really properly assess. If you're only using one brand of cartridge, you're probably shortchanging yourself somewhere, unless you just happen to pick the best brand ever. But most likely you have to try a few different ones to see the comparison, or to see how good the one you love really is even. It's good to compare it to see what you don't like about those other brands. What I noticed that I didn't like about those other brands is things like spatter. I noticed that the tip of the cartridge doesn't always hold the ink properly. When you go into a line, if you're getting a lot of dripping down onto the client's skin, or you're getting a lot of spatter, ink spatter back from the needle just simply going in and out in the air, in the cartridge, as soon as you dip the needle in, if you see that spatter, it is something you have to overcome to get that initial line to go in. If you're doing really small work, it can be extremely annoying because even a drop of ink can like totally cover a portion of what you're doing. So ink spatter, I hate it. We want a cartridge that doesn't have high ink spatter. What can also cause ink spatter, I've noticed in a bad cart, is one that vibrates a lot. If there's a lot of vibration, it seems like there is some ink spatter as well, but vibration is also an issue. Some of these cartridges they have so much vibration that they actually make sounds, and when you're using them, you can hear them. So it's a little, actually, I even had an instance recently where my cartridge was so loud I had to switch brands because it was embarrassing to me in front of the client. The cartridge I was using right before that was really quiet and I was doing all my lining, and then I just switched over to a different cart, and all of a sudden I got this loud rattling noise, and no matter what I did with the cart, I tried trimming the end of it, changing that needle depth, things like that. It didn't do much of anything that was helpful. Not only is vibration annoying and noisy, if you can get over all that, it is actually quite annoying for stability. Stability is really important in these cartridges, and it's something that I assess with all of them. It's my number one concern. I really want a stable line. I want a consistent line. The things that seem to affect that are things like the vibration of the cartridge, which seem to be affected by a variety of things. The weld of the needle, the material the cartridge is made out of, the size of the needle tip, but mostly the materials that are involved with making it. So there's so many different cartridges out there. There's so many different to try. What is the right material? What's the right combination of things to lower that vibration and to therefore increase our stability? Some of the worst cartridges that I've tried have actually dulled out within the session that I've used them. I would say less than 2 hours. I've had some cartridges where the needles have actually dulled. I've noticed when I look at them under my loop that some of them actually do have slightly less sharp tips, so therefore some of these needles are made of different materials. Some of them seem to have different sharpnesses, and sometimes I do find microplastics. Yes, microplastics in the cartridges. That's why it's very important to inspect your needles. It's really hard to combine all of these things together to make the perfect cartridge. There probably isn't a perfect cartridge, but certainly of all the ones I've tried, The one that scores the highest for stability, for visibility, and control, and, you know, least ink spatter and all that. By far, I keep coming back to the CNC Police Needles. Woo! Woo! Bing! Here they are, the CNC needles. Yes, they're called police needles. Funky name, I know. They are red and they do look like the little woo-woo police thing on top of the police cars. But what's awesome is you can put finger ledges over them, which means it gives you a perfect little model for a little pad that you can put over top of it. I find that awesome. A lot of the cartridges I've bought are skinny. The police cartridges have that perfect shape so you can add that finger ledge to it. If you want those, follow link in the description below, by the way. Police needles are sharp, they have great stability and great visibility. So when I say best visibility, what I'm talking about are the tips of these cartridges. So yes, they're red, but at the very tip, they're clear so that you can see the ink at the tip of your cartridge. I find that extremely advantageous. I can pay attention to exactly when I'm running out of ink, and I just feel like I have more control of what's going on. I've worked with other cartridges like the Bishop Da Vinci cartridges, which are black, and they're great cartridges, but I still prefer police needles because I can see the tip of the needle and the ink. As an artist who specializes in fine line, it's extremely important to have a good cartridge that is a nice fine line cartridge. I'm talking about 3 round liners in 10 gauge or 3 round liners, 12 gauge, anything under a 5. You want a cartridge that has really good stability because that needle is going to be smaller. It's going to want to bend a little bit more as it goes through the skin. So you want to have a really good strong cart. What I noticed is that my favorite cartridges for fine line, no matter what, are these police carts. They seem to pull those lines crisply, even in the 10 gauge needles, just as good as the 12 gauge needles. So what can I say? I love these things. Okay guys, I just wanted to share this with you because it's been 3 years and I've tried really hard to find reliable cartridges that didn't break the bank. And not only does this one not break the bank, but it is literally my favorite cartridge over the other ones that cost more. It's half the price. You've got to get it right now on Amazon. Don't forget to follow link in the description below. Smash that like button and subscribe while you're at it. Thanks guys.
Thank you. Bye.